large coffee button. So press and hold until it flashes. Okay, so now we're at step 2, and we actually put the disc in here already, and we put the cleaning powder. So now we're on to step 3, which is to press it again. So just press the flashing lights, and now the cleaning cycle will begin. And you just wait until it finishes. And you can see how it goes for 200 seconds, and then it'll pause. It asks you to remove the filter basket, and then press it again so it'll rinse, 180 seconds, and then it's ready. So we'll come back again for the second part of the cycle once it's done cleaning.